Good morning, guys. Right. This is Advanced Java course, guys. Advanced Java course. Yeah. Now listen. Before Advanced Java, you are called as web user. That means you know how to use the website. Web user or website user. You just know how to use the website. After Advanced Java, you will be called as web developer. You also will be called as website developer. Yes, you can develop your own website and you can keep that one on the internet and you can start sharing what your website domain name URLs to all your friends, all your relatives. So you'll be called as a Java based website developer. Before applying Fair and Lovely, you are dark in color. Come on. After applying Fair and Lovely, you can become heroine hero also. Something like that. Okay. But that is a fake one, but this is the real fact. Understanding? Hmm. Right, boss. Next, prerequisites. To attend this course, what is the prerequisites? Core Java, but entire thing is not required, guys. You should have a OOPS knowledge. Just OOPS knowledge is sufficient. Okay. In the OOPS also, you should know what is class, what is interface, what is method, uh, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism. These five topics are compulsory required, guys. Not entire core Java, guys. Only OOPS knowledge is enough. In that OOPS knowledge also, if you feel you are comfortable with these five terminologies, yes, you can come and sit for advanced Java classes. If you are not comfortable these terminologies, you have a 1 week time to become comfortable with these terminologies practically and theoretically. Then also you can continue in this batch. Sir, I did core Java no, 2 3 years back in my college days. Now I am not in touch. Okay, you have a 1 week time, sit and revise and continue in this batch. Sir, I am attending core Java parallelly. Okay, but in the college days earlier I did it. No problem, you can continue in this batch. First time I'm learning core Java. I don't know what is class, what is interface, what is method. Okay, what is method? Then wait for the next batch. It's advanced Java, which needs some prerequisites. Got it now, boss? Okay. Duration of the course, guys. Course duration. Okay, guys. No, there's no need of completing it, guys. Complete knowledge of core Java is not required. These topics knowledge is required. OOPS knowledge is required. 100 plus sessions, guys. Okay, 100 plus sessions. Next. Okay. Daily 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour 45 minutes session will be there. Minutes will be there. Come on. Okay. Sun. Okay. Monday to Saturday. Weekly. Come on, guys. Weekly. 6 classes will be there. If needed, 7 classes will be taken. 6 or 7 classes. Got it or not? Okay. Next one. Timings. Yeah, today I started 11:15, but once initial classes are over, come on, guys. Once initial classes are over, It will be 11 a.m. to 12:30 or 12:45. 12:45 a.m. Okay, guys. Next one. Course fee, guys. Course fee 3,500. 3,500. Okay. Main topics of this course. Main topics of this course. Okay. Number one set. JDBC. Yeah. JNDI. Java naming and directory interface, guys. What is that? Java naming and directory interface. Okay. JDBC means JDBC. You can have a wrong abbreviation, Java database connectivity. Earlier it was acronym, earlier it was abbreviation. Now it is called trademark. JDBC means JDBC. But long back people used to say Java database connectivity. Okay. So right now it is a single word, trademark. JNDA. Java naming and directory interface, guys. Okay. Next, servlet filters, JSP, JSTL, Java server pages, Java server pages, understanding, expression language, and etc. And etc. Understanding my point. Some servers, lot of servers will be discussed, like Tomcat, WebLogic, Glassfish, and number of servers will be discussed, guys, and etc. So number two, okay, you'll be studying HTML, JavaScript, CSS. You'll be having knowledge on this. Number three, you'll be studying, okay, 15 plus tools. Tools are common for any course you join in Naresh IT, guys. What kind of tools, guys? Maven, Gradle, come on. Maven, Gradle, ESVN, Git. These are supporting tools after joining in the company. Along with working with the technologies, you should also have a knowledge on what? Supporting tools, guys. Suppose you have developed code, colleague developed code. Somewhere should be merged, na? Somewhere they should be merged, right? Then we use a SVN Git kind of thing. Okay, to make our development easy daily, we'll be using tools like Maven and Gradle. To share code with each other, we use SVN subversioning or Git. We have a lot of tools, guys. Log4j, SLF4j, SLF4j. Come on. JUnit. What is that? JUnit. Markito, and etc. 15 plus tools we'll be learning. Understanding my point? Yes, guys. Okay. Some abbreviations have come. Let's finish them. JNDI. Java naming and directory interface. Naming and directory interface. Java naming and directory interface. Next, JSP. Java server pages. JSTL. J. Okay. Java standard tag library. Okay, guys. EL, expression language. What language, guys? Expression language. Okay. HTML, you know that hypertext markup language, right? Hypertext markup language. language. Next, CSS, cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheets. Okay, guys. SVN, subversioning. For wherever abbreviation is there, I am giving to you people, guys. Versioning, subversioning. SLF 4J, 4J. Simple logging facade for Java. For Java. Log 4J. Log. Array 4 is taken to represent for, guys. Don't worry. Logging for Java. And many things, guys. Oh, bye. These are like this 15 plus tools you will be learning, was. So these are the topics that we study. And number 4, okay, multiple mini projects. You'll be studying multiple mini projects. Are you understanding my point, guys? Okay. Yes, number of sessions are 100 plus sessions, guys. Next one, guys. Okay. Next one, guys. Admin name. This bad admin. If you have any non-technical discussion, administration related discussions. Okay. Administration discussions. 630. He is our admin, guys. Mr. Srikanth. Mr. Srikanth. For outsiders. 6302 968 665. Okay. Next one is what? Yeah, only WhatsApp, guys. Only WhatsApp messages. In emergency, call him. In emergency, call him. Okay. Guys, everyone, please switch off your cameras, please. Right, boss. I think you got that. Admin name is Mr. Srikanth, guys. Okay. Right. These are the basic details, boss. Now listen. Okay. Course material. Course material will be shared. Will be shared through FB, Facebook, initial days. Then Google Classroom, guys. Google Classroom. Classroom applications. Applications will be shared. Applications will be shared. Okay. Using Google Classroom will be shared using what? Google Classroom and Git URL. Git URL. Understanding my point, guys? Right, boss. Okay. Now listen carefully. Placement assistance and assurance. Both are there. I will explain this. Placement assistant and assurance. Assurance are there. Okay, let me explain this. When it comes to placement assistance, okay, lots of companies are coming to Naresh IT. You can go and attend there. You can clear written exam. You can, okay, you can fight on your own based on the knowledge that we are giving the classroom. Definitely our guidance will be there. That is called assistance. Okay, so that means lots of campus interviews. Campus interviews takes place in Naresh IT. Earlier, there used to be offline interviews, guys. Now it will be online interviews. Okay, then what about assurance, sir? This is very interesting, guys. Naresh ID is having job guarantee program. What is that? Naresh ID is offering job guarantee program. Yeah, job guarantee program. Yeah, job guarantee program. What is this? After completion of core Java, advanced Java, and Arkil kind of basic courses, you will be having one written exam, guys, screening test. If you clear this, okay, if you clear this, okay, placing you in the company is the responsibility of the Naresh IT. But only the condition is you have to clear screening test. Are you listening my point, guys? Okay, screening test. After completion of these courses, basic courses, core Java, advanced Java, and Oracle, one screening test will be happening for freshers, boss. So this is for freshers. Which freshers? 2018, 19, 20 freshers. Okay, guys. 20 freshers. This is only for freshers. Screening test will happen. If you clear the screening test, if you clear this screening test, okay, placing you in the company, is the responsibility of Naresh Shetty. Naresh Shetty. Is that clear, guys? Okay. So 2021 will start. For 2021 people, it will start after few days. Okay, you can write 21 also, not a problem. But as of now, we are offering up to 2020. Maybe in 1-2 months, because still all people have not completed what engineering in 2021. Got it point? Okay, right. So if we clear this screening test, placing you in the company is the responsibility of Naresh IT. And both these only for Naresh IT students, guys. It is not for outsiders. It is only for Naresh IT students. Okay, as usually. Right. I think you got the clarity. Assistance means a lot of campus interviews will happen. Okay, a lot of big MNCs will come. Tech Mahindra, Accenture, okay, Sonata, this kind of big companies will come. Okay, they will conduct recruitment drives by coming to Naresh IT campus if offline things are happening. If not happening through online, same thing will be happening. That is assistance. But assurance means, okay, assurance means at the end of the course or in the middle of the course, screening test will happen. Understanding my point? Okay. It's for old students, new students, for everyone. So, but the condition is screening test should be cleared. If they clear screening test, if they clear screening test, placement will be, no fee will be charged. It's a completely free program. Okay, clearing screening test is your responsibility. No need of paying single NP, single paisa. No need of paying single paisa. This assurance program is completely free. Only the thing is you have to clear screening test. Screening test is the criteria. Okay, guys. It's for any engineering graduates, any BSc, BCA graduates. Nice. Okay. Yeah, 2017 people, 2016 people should think about showing 2015, 16, 17 people. My suggestion is you won't get much opportunities as freshers, guys. Okay, please try to show gap as experience. Think about going for gap as experience. Are you listening? My think about, because so you won't be treated as a fresher. You won't be treated as a fresher. Okay, that's why. And getting calls as fresher is very limited. I'm not saying not there. Limited opportunities will be there. So that's why my suggestion is think about showing gap as experience. Okay, how to show gap as experience? Huh? There are organization giving fake documents. Arrange those documents. Learn subject in the classroom, but you have to learn multiple things. You have to learn Spring kind of thing, microservices kind of thing, web service kind of thing. Multiple things you have to learn. Understanding my point? Okay, right. Happily, you can think about showing gap as experience. Okay, 70% of my students who are not fitting into fresher criteria will try to get into industry as by showing gap as experience. That much knowledge we are giving. That much knowledge I am giving. So whatever knowledge I give in the classroom, with that knowledge, you can try as a fresher and you can show gap as experience. That much knowledge we are going to learn. So subject wise, we will take care. So arranging documents is your responsibility. Once documents are ready, whatever knowledge you are getting in the classroom, with that knowledge, 3 to 4 years gap you can show as experience. Understanding? There are organization, there are consultancies selling those fake documents. You have to pay little money to them. They will arrange the document part. They will take care of all documents part. We will take care of subject part. Once you are mentally ready, you can show gap as experience. So my simple suggestion, guys, first try as a fresher, not working out. Why it will not work out? Year of pass out problem. Or 4 years engineering, you studied for 6 years for better foundation. Problems, gaps will be there. Gaps will be there. Gaps are there between academics. Percentages are less. Profile problem. So many problems are there to get job as a fresher. Then don't hesitate. Think about going for gap as experience. When you show gap as experience, what they will check is only subject, not other things. Only subject, not other things. They don't bother about your reasoning skills. They don't bother about your aptitude. They don't bother about your English. They don't bother about your vocabulary. I hope you are understanding my point, guys. Okay. This test will happen once in a 2 months or once in a 3 months. This test will happen again and again. This test will happen again and again. Subject wise, we will take care. Arranging documents is our responsibility. And if you are a fresher, no need of worrying about documents. Everything will be taken care by what? Naresh IT if we clear screening test. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Okay. Now listen carefully. Yes. In this course, okay, we are going to cover end topics of JSC module. What topics, guys? JSC module like JDBC, JNDI, and etc. And topics of JWE module. Array in Java modules are there, you know that. JWE module. What topics, guys? Servlet, JSP, Okay, JSTL, EL, and etc. EL and etc. That are required to develop Java based website. Develop and host. Hosting means keeping the website in the internet, having some URL. Okay, develop and host Java based web application. Yes, guys. Right, boss. Now listen. Okay, now listen carefully. As a fresher, to get job in Java domain, job in Java domain. Okay, to get job in Java domain. Yes, if you are trying as a fresher, guys, for fresher, you should have a clarity what is required to get into industry, boss. What is required to get into industry for fresher? Fresher means 0 years experience. 0 years experience. Now tell me, core Java is required, advanced Java is required, one database software Oracle course is required. Okay, then HTML is required, CSS is required, JavaScript, JS means JavaScript. JavaScript is required. Plus, there is a course called CRT, Campus Recruitment Drive. Campus Recruitment Drive. A domain means one sector, one category kind of thing. CRT, which talks about aptitude, reasoning, group discussions, lot of things will be there now, guys. Aptitude, reasoning, come on. Okay, aptitude, reasoning, and etc. Soft skills, guys. It talks about what? Soft skills. Listen, guys. Okay, these are technical. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, HTML, CSS is what technical points. CRT talks about soft skills. Are you understanding my point? So these are technical skills, boss. These are technical skills. Right, boss. Now tell me. Now listen. This is for fresher, guys. For 1+ experienced, 1 year gap as experienced. 1+ experienced. Okay. Freshers topics minus CRT. CRT is not required for experienced people. CRT is not required for experienced people. Are you understanding my point? Then, okay. Spring is required, guys. Spring knowledge is required. Are you listening my point? Plus spring knowledge is required. Okay, guys. Spring is required for 1+ experienced people. Sir, what about 2+ experienced people? Right. Spring Boot and Hibernate is also required. Spring Boot and Hibernate is also required. Okay, boss. Next, this is for 2+, boss. This is for 2+. Okay, next, for 3+ experienced. 3+ experienced. Freshers topics plus. Yeah, same thing is applicable for even 4+ also, boss. 4+ experienced. Freshers topics plus minus CRT. CRT means campus recruitment drive is not required. Spring is required. Spring Boot is required. Hibernate is required. Tell me, microservices knowledge is required. Microservices. We are going to study all what are all this. Web services knowledge is required. What knowledge, guys? Web services. Yeah, whatever knowledge we are giving in the classroom, with that knowledge, you can show 3 to 4 years gap as experience. Don't think about keeping 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. So CRT is a separate course, guys. Naresh ID is even offering that course. Spring is a separate course. Okay. Spring Boot and microservice is a separate course. Hibernate is a separate course. Web service is a separate course. Okay. Naresh ID is definitely offering this one. Okay, boss. Now listen. Common topics required for all all experienced common topics required for all experienced. Listen, today you should get the clarity. Come on. Right. Okay, if someone is 2020 passed out, you have a two option. You can show 1 year gap as experience, or you can even treat as a fresher. You can even treat yourself as a fresher. Okay, always remember, from the year of passed out, 1 year or 2 years, worst situation 2 years, or generally for 1 year, you will be treated as a fresher. Suppose you are 2021 passed out student, 20 till 2022 June, 2021 June you passed out, till 2022 June you will be treated as a fresher. But because of corona and pandemic, okay, from last for this 2020 2019 student, still they are treating as a fresher because lot of pandemic is happening, entire world is disturbed. But generally for 1 year you will be treated as fresher. 10% companies will treat last 2 years passed out people also as a fresher, but most of the companies will treat you as a fresher only for 1 year from the year of passed out. Common topics required for all this one, guys. Okay. Java real-time tools. I said now 15 plus tools are there. Already have given list of tools. And there is one more topic called design patterns that makes you better developer. That seriously makes you better developer, guys. Best practices of programming. So these are required for all experienced people, guys. Fresher CRT is required. For experienced people, CRT is not required. So what is your suggestion, sir? Okay, if you are a 2019, 20, 21 passed out, first try as a fresher. How many months, sir? Okay, after completion of this course or during this course or in the middle of the course, for 4-5 months, you try as a fresher. Attend minimum 10 to 15 interviews. Success comes, fine, continue your career with as a fresher. No, they are rejecting you because of percentages issue. They are rejecting you because of what? Year of passed out. They are rejecting you. You studied engineering for more than 4 years. They are rejecting you because of academic gaps. They are rejecting you because of 10th class percentages. They are rejecting you because of what? Some track record of your college. It's not your mistake. Some mistake happened in the past. We cannot change them. So then don't get into depression. Okay, nothing to worry. Only small door is closer to get into industry. Big door is always open. What is that big door? Showing gap as experience. I hope you are understanding my point there. Is that clear? Okay, don't worry. For IT sector, BSc, BCA, engineering, any graduation is okay. No need of post graduation. Sir, I'm a postgraduate. I want to show gap as experience because percentages are not good. Academic gaps are there. Okay, then you are a lucky boy. You are a MCA student. Hide your 3 years. MCA post graduation degree. BSc plus 3 years. BCom plus 3 years. Okay. BCA plus 3 years. You show it. Are you understanding my point? There are so many consultancies, there are so many organizations who are selling the documents, and you can take them as your documents and you can show them as fake documents. Is that clear? You are a MTech postgraduate, but you are not getting opportunity as a fresher. Hide your MTech, BTech plus 3 years, BE plus 2 years, whatever you want, you can go for it. Are you listening my statement, guys? Distance education cannot be hidden because distance education itself indicates you are doing parallelly some work. You are doing parallelly some work. That's why you have opted what? Distance education. So that's why the people who are having less percentages, academic gaps, profile problems, nothing to worry. Only small door is closed for you to get into industry. Okay, big door is there, always asking you to come and join in the company by showing experience. Subject Naresh IT faculties will take care, especially I will take care. Except core Java, remaining all topics I am going to teach. Is that clear? But sir, someone is asking me, sir, after +2, I have 3 years gap. Can I show that gap as experience? No. Only the gap that is there after graduation, you can show as experience. Are you listening my statement, guys? Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. Logical programming is part of language fundamentals. Don't treat it as a separate one. Logical programming is required for everyone. Okay, guys. Okay. Only after graduation, after project graduation, whatever gaps are there, only those gaps can be shown as experience. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. Sir, I have 5 years gap, 6 years gap. But you are asking me to show only 4 years gap. What about remaining 1, 2 years? Listen, total you show 6 years experience, but in that one, 4 years you show as a IT experience. What, guys? IT experience. And 2 years you show is as non-IT experience. Non-IT experience. Are you understanding my point? Total 6 years experience. 4 years is relevant IT industry experience. Okay. And last 2 years, okay, initial 2 years you show as a irrelevant experience, non-IT experience. But in IT companies will consider only relevant experience of IT. They never bother about remaining 2 years which you have shown in the initial days. Understanding my point? Sir, I have a backlogs. I supposed to complete engineering in the year 2018, but because of backlog clearance, I completed in the year 2020. So what about me? So sorry, boss, you cannot show those 2 years as experience. You have to show experience, or you have to try as a fresher right from 2020 only. The period you have taken extra to clear backlogs cannot be used for experience, cannot be used for any other purpose. From the year of pass out only, you have to show your experience, or you have to try as a fresher. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay, guys. I think I heard free logical programming sessions also happening from Naresh IT. Free logical programming sessions. Okay, guys. Yes, I'll take your personal questions at the end of the session. Please focus. Now listen. So if you try as a fresher, guys, there is a possibility of getting packages 2 lakh to 2 lakh to 6 lakh, not more than that. If you are trying with 1 year experience, boss, there is a possibility of getting what packages? 3 lakh to, okay, 8 lakhs, max to max. That depends upon company, that depends upon what is the current company CTC. So many factors are So many factors will be there, boss. If you are trying as a 2 years experience, 5 lakhs to okay 10 lakhs, that's max. Okay, guys. If you are trying to show 3 years experience or 4 years experience, guys, there is a possibility of getting packages around 3 lakh to 13 lakhs, 13 or 14 lakhs. Okay. Okay, 1 2 exceptional cases will be there. As of now, track record in my batches is okay. Record in my batches is one girl student recently it happened. Okay, shown 3 years gap as experience. After engineering, she tried for government jobs. She tried for gate exam related job, bank job. Somehow she got failure. Okay, that gap. Wow, 3 or 4 years she tried. Those 3 years she has shown as experience, gap as experience, and she has got package of 16 lakhs. And she has played little bit mind game also. Initial offer letter she got for 7 lakhs. By showing 7 lakh offer letter, she did bargain with the next company. I already have got 7 lakh offer letter. If you provide me better offer letter, I will join your company. Like that, she got next offer letter of 11 lakhs. 11 lakhs. Okay, after getting 11 lakh offer letter, okay, same formula she applied on third company after clearing interviews. After clearing interview, that fellow has given 13 lakh offer letter. After getting 13 lakh offer letter, again she played a game. At the end, she satisfied with the 16 lakhs. Look at the confidence. Look at the confidence of that girl. Showing gap as experience, that to 3 years gap as experience, and from 7 lakhs to 16 lakhs. So we cannot take the company name, guys, but she is working for a bank called Amir Price. Okay, now you use your knowledge to find out. Okay, okay, that client belongs to which software company? Amir Price. That company is having 3 letters. Since they have shown gap as experience, come on. Right. Array, in software industry, if you have a subject, money is there. More you learn, more subject. Less you learn, less salary. More you learn, more money. Right, guys. Now, sir, what do you mean by Java full stack developer? Nowadays, this terminology also happening, boss. What do you mean by Java full stack developer? Okay. Yeah. Now listen. Java full stack developer means, guys. Okay. Java domain. Java domain technologies you have to learn. What are the Java domain technologies you have to learn? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, microservices, microservices, okay, web services. That knowledge you have to. Database domain, database softwares you have to learn. Either Oracle or MySQL. But Oracle is having more edge, guys. Prefer Oracle. MySQL. Next, C. You have to learn testing domain knowledge. What is, guys? Testing domain. Manual testing you have to learn, guys. Okay, Selenium for automation. Selenium for automation. Next, boss, you have to learn. You should learn. You have to learn multiple technologies, guys. Multiple technologies. Okay. You have to learn UI technologies, boss. All rounder. Array, in our cricket match also, you'll be having batsman, bowler. Yes. Batsman, bowler. Are you understanding my point? Batsman only batting, bowler only bowling, but all rounder is there. all-rounder like Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja. These are called all-rounders, right? And some of them will do good full fielding also. So, like a full stack developer is like what? End to end, one person will take care. If you give one small project to them, they only take care of everything. They only design the database. They only use the Java technology. They only use the UI technology. They only test the code. They only release the code. They only host the website. End to end, they will take care, guys. UI technologies, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Angular or React JS is there now, boss. React JS, Bootstrap. What is that? Bootstrap and etc. related to UI technologies, boss. Next, DevOps knowledge. DevOps to make development operation easy, guys. To make development and build operations easy, like DevOps knowledge, guys. Jenkins, come on, Docker, okay, Kubernetes, and etc. Come on, Kubernetes, etc. They are DevOps. Cloud knowledge is also required. Are you understanding my point? Cloud knowledge. We need to have a cloud knowledge. Yes. Yes. AWS, Azure. Someone is saying that these many we have to learn. Are a full stack developer. Companies are going to pay 20 lakh, 25 lakh packages if you are showing 4 or 5 years of experience. Companies paying 20, 25 lakhs package means if you cannot remember names, who will else will remember the names? Today, all these are new because you are listening first time. It's something like this sales boy in the medical shop, guys. First 1, 2 days, horrible names. 10 days, horrible names. 1 month, new kind of thing. 6 months, come on, quite habituated. 1 year, fully habituated. 3 years, he will become junior doctor, right? He will become junior doctor. It's all about spending time, guys. It's all about spending time. Since you are just worried about your engineering subjects, engineering papers, you never bother about these things. These are the real subjects which are going to build your next 30, 35 years of life, guys. So that's why you have to remember, you have to learn, you have to become master, then only you will settle in life. Your engineering subjects never gives you job. Your 16 years of school education, college education never makes you software engineer. These are the courses that we are going to learn next 6 months or 1 year or 1.5 years. If you want to complete all the things and you want to become full stack developer before joining in the company, you have to spend nearly 1.5 years. I'll give roadmap. I will give roadmap. AWS, Azure, and etc. What do you mean by cloud, guys? What do you mean by cloud? A cloud is an internet environment which gives hardware and softwares on rental basis. In our company, we don't have high-end systems. We don't maintain what? High-end softwares. Everything we collect in the internet, hardware and software on rental basis. Using that only we develop the projects. Using that only we release the project. Using that only we run the project. Everything will be taken on rental basis. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, guys. Throw and use kind of thing. Use and throw kind of activities. So that our companies need not to have high-end software purchase. Our companies need not to have high-end hardware purchases. Everything is available in the internet. That is nothing but cloud platform. Okay, that is cloud knowledge. If you have a cloud knowledge, pay and use, throw and use kind of thing. taking things on rental basis. Come on, renting both, renting software and hardware services. Okay, boss. Now listen. Okay, as a fresher, forget about becoming full stack developer. Full stack developer fresher, the terminology is not there. Only for the people who are planning to show experience, there is a full stack wording. Sir, I'm a fresher, I'm full stack developer. No one will believe you. No one will believe you. Okay. Minimum 3 years experience, 3+ experience needs to be shown in order to try as in order to try as full stack developer. What is that, guys? In order to try as full stack developer. Package. Package. Minimum 12 lakhs, guys. And if you have a subject, you are expert in all the places, right? You can demand up to 30 lakhs. You can demand for 30 lakhs. For how many years, guys? Okay, for 3 to 6 years experience only, you can do that. 3+2, 6+ experience. You can demand this much. Okay. So IT job salary is not initial day salary, guys. Initial day salary may be less. Starting 3-4 years, you have to adjust with 3 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 6, 7 lakhs. Okay. But after 5-6 years, once you become full stack developer, once you become senior software engineer, the money will flow like anything. That time, the friends who joined in BPO jobs, the friends who joined in what bank jobs, the friends who joined in government jobs, the friends who joined in what college professor jobs will cry on you. Initially they may be feeling, are you are taking so much pressure, you are working hard but less salary. But tell them initial 3-4 years are not my years, but after that I will show what is income, what is money in software job. Foreign opportunities, guys, lot of perks, weekend parties, fee family trips to foreign countries. Okay, you can spend holiday time on company money. So many perks will be there along with the payment. And you don't believe, when you start earning 30 lakhs per annum, in that one, 7-8 lakhs you pay for income tax only. That means some of your friends' income is going to be your income tax payment. That much money is there. One of my student, okay, he was my student 10 years back. Okay, now his package is 42 lakhs. And per annum is paying 9 lakh income tax. 9 lakh income tax. That is equal to some small employees per annum income. Money is like anything, boss. Money is like anything. But only the thing is, you learn more, you get more money. You learn less, you will get less money. That's it. Okay. I hope you are finding all these details are very useful, guys. These many days you heard these terminologies, but you don't have clarity. Today I'm giving a lot of clarity on these terminologies or not. Right. So what is the roadmap, sir? Roadmap. Roadmap for freshers. Roadmap for freshers. Now listen. Trias. Roadmap for Java freshers. Roadmap for Java freshers. Trias Java fresher. Trias Java fresher. Okay. Get into company. Get into company. Okay. Keep the target of target of becoming Java full stack developer. Okay, within 3 years. Within 3 years, and change company. Within 3 years and change company. Change company. Targeting 25 lakh package. This should be, boss. This should be target for fresher. I hope I hope you are understanding what's the roadmap for fresher. Small company or big company. First start as a fresher. Okay, but for 1 year, 2 years, don't change the job. Stay in the company, but try to become Java full stack developer within 3 years, and try to become Java full stack developer. Fill everything in your resume and jump to other company expecting what 25 lakh package. Then 1 2 challenges will be there. Suppose existing company is paying 3 lakh rupees. They will give 100% hike or 200% hike. So let us assume within 3 years your package has become 10 lakhs. In the same company, within 3 years your package has become 10 lakhs. You can demand for 50% hike or 100% hike, but you are expecting 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs. How, sir? Okay, just now I said, na, girl has played one game. Get one company offer letter, show that offer letter to another company and demand for more money. Get that company offer letter, show that one as what? Base for another company and demand for more money. You have to play the game. How companies are looking to take what is that, skilled developers with less amounts. We should also play game with companies. We should also get more and more money, because we have only one life and one career, and we have to earn money along with the hard work. So that's why while doing negotiation of salary, don't keep any modesty in mind. You demand it, because later they are going to demand work from you. Later they are going to ask you or what, 5 days of a week, sometimes 8 hours, sometimes 10 hours, sometimes 12 hours. If demand is there, you have to work on weekends also. That's why there is no need of demanding salary. There is no problem of demanding salary. Okay, roadmap for experienced people. Roadmap for experienced people. Java experienced. Roadmap for Java experienced. Okay. Try as Java experienced developer. Java experienced developer. Are you listening my statement, guys? Maybe 1 plus, maybe 2 plus, maybe 3 plus. Some package, 6 lakh, 7 lakh, some package will come, right? Okay. Keep the target of becoming Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer in another 2 or 3 years. Okay. Change company. What is that? Change company with 25 to 25 lakhs to 30 lakh package. Change company with 25 lakhs to 30 lakh package. Right. Now listen. Okay. Learn data science. Because after, listen guys, after 7 years, 8 years, Java is okay. Java full stack is okay. Apart from that, what else you know? Learn data science or big data. Learn data science or big data. Okay. To become data scientist. Array, data science not for Python people was. Data science for Java people, data science for Python people. Come on. Okay. 32 technologies, knowledge is required to become data scientist, boss. In that one, 20 plus things are Java related things, and 5 to 6 things are related to Python related things. Sir, my friend is saying that Python came, Java gone. Array, it's a hype only. You go and talk with those people who have completed Python learning, and you will understand from how many days they are sitting idle. The reason is these people might be having subject, but market is not there for Python. You open Naukri.com, you open Monster.com, you open TimesJob.com. Understanding my point? See the number of openings that are there in Java domain, number of openings that are there in .NET, number of openings that are there in UI technologies, number of openings that are there in DevOps and AWS, number of openings that are there in Python. You don't believe? Number one, Java. Come on. Number two, DevOps and AWS. DevOps and AWS. Number two chance. Number three, UI technologies. Okay. Number four, data science, not Python. Data science, not Python. So that's why what is there on Python is a hype in the market, is not the reality. Is not the reality. If you want, you can search the job portal websites. And you don't believe, Naresh IT is offering job guarantee program on Java, on .NET, on Android, on UI technology. Check it out. Naresh IT is not offering job guarantee program on Python. Because if jobs are there, Naresh IT will show jobs now on Python. That's why there is no job guarantee program, okay, for Python people, okay, in Naresh IT. It is only for what? It's only for what? UI technology people, .NET people, Android people, and Java people. Because market is good for them. Naresh IT can bring the jobs. Naresh IT cannot create the jobs, right? If openings are there, if companies are looking for programmer, Naresh IT can supply it, right? Okay. Fine, boss. Learn data science, big data to become what? Data scientist. Okay. Data scientist. And target to get 40 lakh package. Sir, all these are possible. Yes, possible, guys. This is possible, sir. Definitely possible, guys. I think you got a clarity, guys. Okay. So what should I do now? First, get the clarity. You want to try as a fresher, you want to try as an experienced. Fresher. Okay. Try to learn them. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, HTML, CSS, JS. Okay. CRT. And try to attend the interviews. Success comes, fine. Failure comes, try for 1 year experience by learning Spring kind of thing. By learning Spring kind of thing. Okay. Mr. Bindu Kumar, 40 lakhs I have written. Okay. I think you got a clarity, guys. So for every problem, there is a solution, guys. If you give up, all doors will be closed. If you don't give up, slowly one by one door will be opened. I have a huge IT experience. Okay. I'm acting as a consultant for 2 companies. I have my own software firm, and I have conducted so many batches, trained lakhs of students. You might have come because of your seniors told about me. So that's why I'm always there to guide you end to end. I'm always there to guide you end to end. Is that clear, guys? I hope you benefited with the today's session, guys. Right. My email ID, I'll share these details with you. Don't worry. Natraz Java Arena at gmail.com. My Facebook group, FB group, guys. Okay, guys. My Facebook group name is this. Arena means place where things are available. Okay, this is my Facebook group, guys. It's a private group, my dear. It's a private group, and send a request to become member, and I will approve it. After the class, I will approve it. You must become member. Yeah, just 1.5 year back, I started this group, guys. I got nearly 12.5 thousand students in 1.5 student. That much popular. So much content I shared. Job openings will be given. Okay, all postings related to Naresh IT will appear there. You must become member. Okay, right, boss. Okay, fine. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Now listen. One more thing. Uh, you can attend core Java, advanced Java parallelly. You can take advanced Java, Hibernate parallelly. You can take advanced Java, Spring Boot parallelly. Spring Boot parallelly. You can take advanced Java, okay, web services parallelly. Advanced Java web services parallelly. You can do these courses as parallel classes. Parallel classes. Okay, guys. Yes. Now listen. Mr. Mr. Kirti, when you show gap as experience, when you gather the documents, all the details will be there in the documents, and you have to speak with respect to those documents. Okay, boss. Acha, to attend Spring Boot, guys, or Spring Boot, Core Java and JDBC knowledge is sufficient. Core Java and JDBC knowledge is sufficient. Okay, but you have to do parallel with advanced Java. You cannot just ignore advanced Java. You cannot sit in Spring. You can. These are the topics that you can do parallelly. Okay. Are you understanding my point, guys? Right. See, boss, HTML, CSS, JS will be covered in advanced Java itself. Oracle is a separate course. Okay, basics of SQL is enough to continue in advanced Java. Basics. Okay. Abhishek, I am going to teach Spring. I am going to teach Spring. That is a separate course. Spring Boot with microservices, another separate course. All right. So database and UI are the separate technologies, my dear. Acha, UI technologies you can learn without having core Java, advanced Java knowledge also. Database UI technologies you can learn without having core and advanced Java knowledge, or you can learn them parallelly. You can learn them parallelly. Okay, boss. Rakul, you can do that. Rakul, you can do that. Yeah, from my side, session is over, guys. Now for next 5-10 minutes, I will take your doubts, guys. If I miss any one question in the middle of the session, please, please hit me now. Please shoot me now. Okay. For advanced Java, 2-3 slots will be there. Generally 9, 11, 4 p.m. I will be taking advanced Java. Hibernate course duration 80 sessions. I'm doing only core Java. Can I join advanced Java? If you know what is class, what is object, what is method, you can join. Okay. Yeah, VMware is a totally different domain, guys. It's a good domain, you can join, no problem. Right. Rahul, you can shift, not a problem. Rahul, you can shift, not a problem. Are all frameworks will be taken care by me. All frameworks will be taken care by me. Raghavendra. Abhishek Gupta. How many classes should we go for according to you? Per day, max 3 sessions are good, not more than that. Okay, NASCAM people can come for this batch or not. Please talk to your admin. How to mention subjects in resume. I'll conduct separate sessions on resume preparation. There you will get idea. Evening batch 4 p.m. slot. Generally, evening batch of advanced Java means 4 p.m. slot. When new batch will start after 1 month. After 1 month, Pradhan, you can paste the question one more time. Okay. Once you got basics of JDBC, good knowledge of core Java, you can go for Spring. Okay, guys. Rohit, generally they expect 60% as the criteria. To clear screening test, 60% marks are required. UI technology separate course. Yes, UI technology separate course. It's not part of advanced Java. In advanced Java, you'll be learning only HTML, JavaScript, CSS, not Angular JS or React JS. Okay, Rajesh, if OOPS not completed, you have a 1 week time to complete the OOPS. Okay. Hash, after showing experience. Ash, can you write your question completely? Right. Ritesh, you can show your 10 months gap, 10 months gap as a freelancer developer. Freelancer developer. If it is crossed 1 year, you can show another 1 year as from any cooked up experience. Any fake experience of 1 year you can show. Okay. Prasad, since you are physically handicapped, and as a developer, I don't think they will encourage you, but you have to look for administration job. Administration job. Okay, guys. Ramesh R. Salesforce is some kind of cloud domain. Okay, you can learn after getting 6-7 years of Java experience. My Spring batch starts after 1 month in 6 p.m. slot. Okay. Is it any problem during job? Guys, Mr. Ash, can you write entire question in a single line? I cannot read your question patch by patch. Duration of advanced Java course, 100 plus core. This batch is offline too. No, once government gives permission, we'll start offline batches. This batch is complete online batch, guys. When offline classes starts, that depends upon government decision, boss. Spring and Spring Boot classes will start in 6 p.m. slot after 1 month. After advanced Java, what is the first we can do? You can do either Spring or Hibernate, no problem. Or you can do both parallelly, not an issue. Okay. Once you got JDBC basic strong core Java knowledge, you can go for Hibernate or Spring. Just finished method, can I join? But you should know what is class, what is interface very fastly within next 7 days. Then you can join. Okay, guys. You can take Oracle and Advanced Java course parallelly. Yes, you can do that. Okay. ADV Java, Oracle also. ADV Java, Core Java, UI technologies. UI technologies also you can take parallelly. Okay, guys. Okay, you have to attend live classes, guys. Initial classes, if you miss initial classes, backup videos will be provided. Okay, 9 a.m. batch, it takes time. Next batch will come after 2-3 months only. Okay, full stack people, can they join this course? You have to talk to your admin. How to find a good consultant? Talk to your seniors who has shown gap as experience. They will guide you, or mail me. I will give the details. You can do Hibernate and Advanced Java parallelly here. Yes. Can I continue Spring Boot without Hibernate? Yes, you can do that. Course duration for Advanced Java 100 plus sessions. Okay. Pranati, I am 2021 passed out. I am interested doing graphic designing after this course. Core Java, Advanced Java. Madam, if you are looking for graphic designing, but don't waste your time in Java. Graphic design is a totally different course. Totally different course. You will teach HTML, JavaScript in this course. Yes, they are part of what? Advanced Java course. Okay. Mr. Permitted, what is that? Eramasetti. HKSR. Okay. Once you complete core Java, you can try as a fresher, but if with advanced Java, you will get more calls. Can I join UI full stack course? If you are interested in UI full stack, you can go for it. But this is only for Java full stack, guys. Okay, guys. Sandeep Kumar. Okay, since you are 2014 passed out, what you can do is total 7 years gap is coming. 4 years you show it as IT experience, and 3 years you show it as non-IT experience, like teaching experience or some other company experience. But IT industry will give salary only for your 4 years experience. Okay, guys. Hash, as long as you are completing the task, as long as you are submitting documents properly, as long as you are behaving properly in the company, there is no problem at all. 60 to 70% industry people are joined in the companies by showing gap as experience. Okay, guys. Rohit, masters in abroad is also post graduation. You can hide it and you can show gap as experience. Or after masters, if you have a gap, you can show that gap as experience. Okay, guys. Can I go ahead core Java to Spring without advanced Java? No, sir. You will get problem towards web application development. Vijay P, you must have advanced Java knowledge in order to have a foundation of web application development. Okay. Manish, you can happily come, not a problem. Screening test will happen every 2 months. Any information about offline classes? Governments are giving hint first week of July, but this batch will be completely online, guys. If offline classes started, it will be both offline and online. Both offline and online. But as of now, it is completely online. Okay, Spring is a framework advanced topic in Java, guys. Okay, for an advanced Java student, HTML, CSS, JavaScript is free. Yes, it's a part of the course. Okay, guys. Thank you, Rahul. Are you providing daily running notes or not? Daily, these notes will be shared in the Facebook group like this. Everyone, please focus how you will get it. This is my Facebook group, guys. I'm uploading the content here. I'm uploading content here. Advanced Java, NTAJ 415, no, 115, basics. Yeah, look at the file. You have to recognize your file based on your batch code. Your batch ID is NTAJ 115, introduction 1, June 21st. NTAJ 115, introduction 1, June 21st. It is the date, it is the topic name, this is your batch code. Okay, you will get like this. This is the Facebook URL. Once you get the member, you will get a file section. In the file section, you go there, just click on download. You just click on download and open with Paintbrush. Okay. Siddhartha, you can show 4 years IT experience, 2 years as non-IT experience. When you will start 4 p.m. advanced Java course, already batch is going on. It takes another 3 months minimum. Okay, how to attend screening test? Okay, if it is offline, you have to come and write exam in the Naresh IT campus. If it is online, through online Zoom, through Zoom services, or by conducting what mobile app based screening test will be conducted. Microservices batch, already 7 a.m. batch is started. There you will get microservices after 2 months. Okay, after next advanced Java batch after 2 months, guys. SQL basics not completed. Can we join? You can join, no problem. You can learn some basics of SQL dynamically. Okay. I'm working with AWS Cloud and DevOps engineer, 3 years experience. I want to learn Java to show gap as experience. My next switch, will it work out? Definitely it will work out. You are slowly targeting Java full stack developer. As I said, you may get package of 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Admin details. Admin name is Srikanth, guys. Duration for Spring. Okay, Spring Boot and microservices, 120 sessions, guys. Advanced Java generally 2 or 3 slots. Okay, 2 years experience UI developer, but now I am having 10 months gap. I already discussed. You can show that 10 months as a freelance developer. Next, Sai Charan. Total package fees are in Naresh IT. Because of pandemic and online classes, no packages are there. Every course you have to take individually. 4 p.m. batch takes time because already batch is going on. After 2-3 months, only new batch will be there. 9 o'clock hibernate is going on. After 2 months, only new batch will be there. Right now, this is the slot. And next advanced Java takes 2 to 3 months minimum. HTML, CSS, JavaScript is part of this course. Pranati, if you miss current HTML, JavaScript batch, no problem. You will get more batches in coming days. Right now, it is not offline batch, it is online batch. Government has not given permission to start offline classes. I am done mechanical job for 2 years learning Java for better future. How can I approach companies? No problem. You can show those 2 years gap as experience. Then no one questions about your mechanical experience. Okay, guys. Next advanced Java from you, when can we expect? After 2 months minimum. Okay, Spring is a framework which is an advanced topic in Java, guys, for developing more complex and more what is that, financial sector applications. Yeah, if you are a student of 11 o'clock core Java, you have to change your timings of core Java. No option. Oracle knowledge is required in order to work with JDBC, but you can learn SQL knowledge on your own dynamically. Okay, if you are having 11 o'clock other batch, you have to change the timings in order to attend advanced Java. Okay, SQL basics you can learn dynamically, so that's not a problem at all. Okay. Right, Kumar, you have to attend live sessions. Only initial classes recorded videos will be provided. You have to attend live sessions. Okay, Spring is an advanced framework in Java. Apart from that, I cannot talk much technically, but it is their more complex application to develop more complex application. Okay, guys. Yes, Sandeep, you can definitely show gap as experience. Possibility is there. I think same questions are repeating, boss. Same questions are repeating. If I miss anyone's questions, you can send your questions to my email ID, boss. This is my email ID, Natraz Java Arena. gmail.com. Okay, guys. Yeah, in this batch, first JDBC will be start. Okay. Mr. Ganesh Gupta, right now Spring is an advanced framework in Java, which is there to develop complex and large scale applications. Okay. Mr. Ganesh Gupta, last time I am giving warning. I have answered your question 10 times. Again, you are putting the same question. Okay. Definitely, they will ask about project. You can collect the projects from your working friends or relatives. How many demos? Initial classes will be treated as demos. Initial 2-3 classes will be treated as demos. Shivaji, okay, if you have already joined HTML CSS batch, talk to admin. Admin will sort out your problem. Thank you, guys. If I miss, if anyone miss questions, okay. If you are looking for admin details, okay, guys. Aditya Singh, first become developer, then think about teaching. Okay, without becoming developer, don't become faculty. Don't spoil others' life. First gain knowledge and then guide others. Okay, everyone is welcome to share the knowledge, boss. It's not like that. Everyone is welcome to share the knowledge. Yeah, this is admin phone number, guys. This is admin phone number. Yes, guys. Pooja madam, you can collect the project from working friend or relative. Option number 1. Naresh IT is providing project batch, Java real-time project batch. From there, you can collect the project. Or in the GitHub, lot of old projects are there. You can collect them and show them. Total 3 options are there to show projects. Working friends or relatives, Java real-time project batch knowledge, or from GitHub also you can collect the projects. It depends. It depends upon your capability. Thank you, guys. I hope I answered all your questions. Like this, I will conduct more and more interactive sessions. Okay. I hope you benefited with this style of teaching. If any issues are there, small issues are there, they will be rectified in 1-2 days. Okay. I hope I am reachable to everyone. I hope I am reachable to everyone. 2019 passed out 2 years. Right. If I miss any one question, don't hesitate to mail me. Okay, I will definitely reply your mail. Within 24 hours to 48 hours, your mail will be replied. Okay, Muhammad Hussein, if you there are some companies who is not expecting 60% percentage, try in those companies or show gap as experience. Okay, 2019 MCA complete. After MCA, you can show 3 years. After MCA, you can show 3 years. After 12th standard, you cannot show gap experience. After graduation gap only, you can show as experience. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time.